Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about how to form a limited partnership in Illinois. Let's first talk about what a limited partnership is and some of its benefits and drawbacks. So a limited partnership is at least two people doing business together. One has to be a general partner, the other a limited partner. The general partner is the person responsible for actually managing the business. The limited partner is a silent investor who does not have any management powers. The general partner is fully liable for all of the debts and liabilities of the corporation. The limited partner, unlike in a standard partnership, the limited partner will not be liable for the debts of the corporation, so they won't be personally liable for corporate debts. So taxes pass through directly through the partnership to the general partner and limited partner's income tax return, so it's not taxed once at the corporate level and once on the personal level. The difference between a limited partnership and an S-corp or an LLC is that a limited partnership does not provide liability protection to the general partner. So the general partner is exposed to liability. So these make sense for not necessarily ongoing standard businesses, but either small projects where the general partner does not expect to incur any liability and doesn't really need liability protection, or family estate planning. Sometimes you can use a limited partnership to protect an asset like a family home from creditors by making like the children limited partners while the parents are general partners. So it's not a good fit for every situation, but the advantages are that it's less costly than forming a corporation or an LLC, both from a initial startup fee perspective and an annual fee perspective, and that there are less corporate formalities than an S-corp, so you don't have to have meeting minutes on an annual basis of shareholders and directors. So it's good for, like I said, small projects where the general partner does not actually expect to incur liability or family estate planning. So let's talk about the requirements to form a limited partnership in Illinois. First, you have to have at least one general partner and one limited partner. Second, there has to be a physical address within Illinois. So we're talking about a mailing address. P.O. boxes don't count. And there also has to be a designated registered agent. This is somebody physically located in Illinois, and it can be an attorney or an accountant or one of the partners themselves that is designated to accept legal notices on behalf of the limited partnership. So if all of those can be true, then you can form a limited partnership by filing a certificate of limited partnership with the Secretary of State. You'll include the following information in your certificate of limited partnership and pay a small filing fee. And it can be done online. The partnership name with LP after it, so you can name it whatever you like, but it has to have LP after it, and you can search on the Secretary of State website to make sure that name is available. The physical address of the partnership, the name and address of the registered agent, the purpose of the limited partnership, and you can make the purpose very broad, which, if possible, that's what we suggest doing. Any business activities might be a good purpose, but the form will kind of suggest this if you don't have a specific purpose. And then the agreed upon distribution and termination rights between the partners, who's entitled to distribution, what happens if the partnership is terminated, who's entitled to what, and then the signatures of all general partners. So that all has to be included in the certificate of limited partnership. In addition to the certificate of limited partnership, you should have a partnership agreement that lays out the rights and responsibilities of the partners with respect to one another. If you have the certificate of limited partnership on file with the Secretary of State and a partnership agreement, you have a valid limited partnership. So we have articles and videos like this about all sorts of different corporate forms like S-corps, LLCs, limited liability partnerships at learn-about-law.com. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, please give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.